The Umkhonto weSizwe Party has made sweeping changes to its leadership, appointing new heads to its disciplinary committees and revamping its structures across several provinces. At a media briefing held in Johannesburg on Thursday, the Umkhonto weSizwe Party Secretary General Floyd Shivambu announced the appointment of former Western Cape High Court Judge Dr. John Hlophe as chairperson of the National Disciplinary Committee of Appeals. Advocate Dali Mpofu has been appointed as a chairperson of the National Disciplinary Committee. Describing the appointees as among the best legal minds in South Africa, Shivambu emphasized their role in upholding the party's code of conduct, which he said would guide members as the organization undergoes significant changes. The announcement also included a reshuffle of leadership in Gauteng and Limpopo, with the parties disbanding previous structures and introducing fresh appointments to strengthen its national high command. Among those joining the leadership ranks are Serame Mogale, Luther Libele Jabokoza, Madime Choku, Lindiwe Mtshali, Puseletso Skhosana, Dumisile Nxumalo, and Sibusiso Hadebe. Mogale, now the full-time head of political education for Umkhonto weSizwe Party, is expected to play a pivotal role in shaping the party's ideological framework. Additionally, the party appointed Nothando Shozi Malanga as national convener and Lindiwe Irene Makhubu Mtshali as national coordinator. The Umkhonto weSizwe Party announced the formation of the MK Women's League and the MK Youth League, with their official launches set for 9 August 2025 and June 16, 2025, respectively. Shivambu urged all structures to ensure capable women's detachments are in place at the village, ward and provincial levels ahead of these launch dates, and said these new formations are part of our broader strategy to empower women and youth within the organization, stressing the importance of robust leadership in driving the party's agenda. In addition to the national appointments, Umkhonto weSizwe Party introduced new provincial detachments for Limpopo and KwaZulu-Natal. The KZN also saw the appointment of a regional structure to bolster the party's operations in the province. Shivambu expressed confidence in the new leadership, stating that these changes would bolster the work of the organization and prepare it for the task ahead. With the realignment of its structures and the appointment of prominent legal and political figures, Umkhonto weSizwe Party appears to be positioning itself as a formidable force in South Africa's political landscape. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.